Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. Today we're going to explore how to configure the UDP premium settings in zivpn, a powerful tool that enhances your online security and browsing experience. Let's dive right in with a clear step-by-step guide. Step 1. First, begin by installing the zivpn app from the Google Play Store. This app will be your key to a safer and more efficient internet experience. Step 2. After installation, open the app and you'll land on the home screen. This is your control center for all VPN settings. Step 3. Look for the UDP box on the home screen and tap it to activate this protocol. UDP is known for its speed, making it an excellent choice for optimized performance. Step 4. Next, navigate to the server list. Here, you can select a premium server in your desired location. Choosing a premium server ensures you get the best speeds and reliability. Step 5. After selecting your server, click on the subscription button to choose your preferred plan, either weekly or monthly. Complete your subscription to unlock the full potential of zivpn. Once you've checked out, return to the home screen. Step 6. Finally, click the Start button to initiate your connection. You are now securely connected, ready to enjoy a fast and private browsing experience. We invite you to join our community on Telegram and WhatsApp, where you can discuss tips and share experiences with fellow users. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Don't hesitate to leave a comment if you have any questions or if anything wasn't clear. Thank you for joining us today, and let's enhance our online security together.